kind thing wey dey happen now for dis we country, we no sabi who we dey go. For say two police people they dey fight for Anglophone zone to put their gun them for corner country people them. What if the Chakumcha people then pass for day, take the gun, then use them against them? Then go talk say they be the fight now with you and you want see and so if no be na palava woman where they fight, naturally palava money, that means say gumbo. Country people them wrote they don't cry, so they don't decide say for fall. Them say Babaju Santa wrote nang rebu, then for komot akum. Enter Bamenda 2, road don't fall. Bambili, road broke for middle, suited 2 motor, they almost enter for inside hole or for go underground. Country people them, no be only for that side. As Kumba people them for Kramer Street, they cry. Say rain cost plenty water. All sides to the enter, meet up with them for bed. Now so Yabasi people then too for Peka Transit road where they still there. You see the under construction. It fall cut into 2 when a water carry the bills travel with go dump am for some different place. Country people then for Limbe na rainfall tree red may push tree fall on top so has to cut squatters then we'll talk about food market where after rainfall for night na fire burn about 30 store them for the Tupolari King Air. Bye and bye forever. See you no more. Then the Karinwe beat Mami Kilam. That's it for Bafu Sam Kati Tungang de so country people them. IDP them. They inside story for today as the Mbororo one them. They get help for Adamawa Day. We'll talk about the 2 police people where they fight, put gun for corner for inside Anglophone zone where they did enough for mission for bring back peace for they too. And then IDP guide them where they did between 20 and 25 years. Bolo de for una. We go tell una see this so una fit work to the end better salary inside Douala. Announcement the country people them. Atona big salute. This one na continues for my Media Prime Television with me Master Talk. Eze Ekuleku Toridi. As it be any day from Monday, Sutego reach for Friday, this time 12:30 country people with the glad plenty for Sabi say una don't leave all in the way una dey do she don for front television for local news, better news and better theory for better television when at the eye of Africa. We start story today now with the same story and then the same story for today Ibisewiti. Goat get teeth. But e no dey chop meat. Fowl wey no get teeth no dey play with the meat. Goat get teeth but e no dey chop meat. Fowl wey no get teeth e no dey joke, e no dey leave meat rest. Na she Firawa for that side for Etugebe Yaounde. Thank you plenty she make una too una the same recent story and plenty to read the way they happen for una place too like the one the way they send am for you any day most help give story for country people them. The number there for una television day 675 386 801 675 386 801. Make we open tori talk sewiti we take una go na for Babaju inside Bamboo Toast Division for West Region. Now Babaju be the last town before you want enter place you can say Kombu in a village. Then you enter now for Matazem and Santa Day. So the last big town when a subdivision na Babaju country people them between west and northwest. It happened that rain for yesterday night. It make us the people the way their own motor no don't pass us from 10 o'clock past Babaju. They remain sleep for open air for this. So make us see them. As rough make we get them, country people them. Now the trouble this. Yes, now the rebel this. Now here, where they be the fixed road. Road was still there under construction. Look as it broke. Look as it broke for Babaju Day country people them. Place where senior divisional officer, I mean say big ngomna for Bamboo Toast Division where they call it say Francois Franklin Etapa. Ego Day. This morning time. Yes, before one go, people don't sleep for open air, so thank God, say rain no fall again for night. Boss, we put the inside for small for them. Look, play wey people they go down now, go pass where village boys they help them, may they go down, go pass, drive across with the hope say so they go waka plenty kilometer, then they meet up moto for continue go to go reach Bamenda they country people them. My sister, now so the world it dey just tie your heart as soon as takes them. Now the kind of trouble that way, people they trouble, they walk past for inside for say this so you don't pay transport, you know fit go. Mattress we put in carry am, kako then we put in carry am, na total ngribu. As in a popo ngribu for that side for their country people them. We road cut into two. Any moto, if you be with any person where it come out Yaoundé, Douala, Southwest. Where they go, when you know you pass now through this Jang and Bunda for go reach that side there for Bamenda. Up to now, no fear say something if it don't happen for you for don't know. Now road don't happen, don't do them wonderful kind thing for they as soon as take see what people they suffer. So let me say even if their motor be passed for that Babaju, air country people them, enough for fit for pass. For this place where they call them for they say this so Akum. That means say for come Akum, calm down that small hill, can you play the talk say the right and say welcome to Bamenda for that side to road to a court for this country people. So now Babaju this way people they suffer and then they suffer for this chapter. So country person I can see how we move to the wrong back. No way no day for cross for continue. No way no day for cross for continue for this country people them. Look how we sister they suffer. I say sister tie your heart. Now so the world it don't so wrote it don't be now so for the thank God say this so Francois Franklin, a Tapawena senior divisional officer, he don't talk for we microphone for that side this so as they do they don't bring some company way they go struggle then make a small make a road try open small make people then control the pass as they wait say this so one day they will kind of fix that road today for come out Babaju go. I say even me the suffer for they contribute. Now you know they way better follow for day and now people then struggle dig that road so for sharp morning time before Caterpillar don't come now and they struggle for see how it so if you open road for front a senior divisional officer for the so country people them now the kind situation that for thing where they take place now for Babaju Day. One person be struggle for talk for microphone for RAF for the country people then make we hear thing way a talk una here.
Babaju, we arrive here around 10 p.m. like that. 10 p.m. in the night. So we slept in the buses. For us to cross this way, we only have to cross through the bushes. No cars will take us again.
Una don't hear them for the country people then for sure sitting where we talk for this television not true. Another one now that side for Akum as I don't first tell una for come out past Santa enter Akum as you go down the hill for go meet up welcome to Bamenda day that they will cut again una see. This place they don't fix them. Last year it be fall. It don't fall again this year. They say water way they come down for heal them. Then they pass with the nang rebu. See the way people they pass motor no fit so na population now they work as small cross that place so with the hope say they go fit turn so they go meet up motor for before country people them. Now so the thing then take the help people they suffer plenty too around that side there where it means say no be only Babaju one before you want enter Bamenda if you fit pass Babaju yourself but you know pass this place or Akum so country people that's not taxi for inside the image them thing the way it they happen for yes so my own country people them kind to the wonderful kind of laugh at them so for all day for the continuous so people they really suffer and even for year two people them where they so they brought cross the one enter na Bamenda the year back to for day before so sleep the one day when they be come out na Bamenda their boss they just either remain for this sleep or they turn go back for Bamenda go nang for day before they hope see this so anyhow if you find a solution make the try go even for your person ask me question not true Christian Tebong say this so why Lele Afrique never even reach your big man for that side for Bambuto speed or go see wait it happen not be the one with the solution according to wait go tell you them na go can fix the place for this whole country people them so inside Northwest for answer say this so we hear to say it is like say God don't turn it back for Northwest day the very rain for this night Edun done for Bambili for front Elisan Hotel for Bambili day night this. Look up, I say, and the play with 4, it like say, he just choose na play with 2 motor and turn up, 1 taxi, and then 1 pick up on a mini bus for this country people them. Look as the thing they do. So the two motor now they just hang. For move farm. Na total ribu. Na pop ribu for this country people that's not taxi. Now rain do that work so. Yes, now rain do that work so. Place with the call and Siba and believe from Elisan Hotel for this country people them. Ute kuna go place with the call and say Kumba for southwest southwest region Kumba na head chief town for Meme division at Kramer Street people. Yeah, but that very rain be been a national rain no unasiam. Look at just see what happened for Kramer Street or Kumba Day. That very rain. So sute people they sleep now. One way they be free tie their bed them with rope, drag and sute this for ceiling. Makes more picking the note, die me water no carry them go. Look at. They want the way they for free manage, stand up, say for up, sleep sute morning time, sleep for up now, morning time reach. Na sharp morning time they struggle, so we see how we they fit move the water. Move water the inside house. As soon as we see moving water. Like that they move and so for the waiting broom. Other one they move on with the bucket to country people then. As soon as taxi way the happen place with the call lamp for they say this so now Kumba de so they kuna go for a place with the call and say Limbe for cats quarters or Bota de country people them na CDC house them for they and then na Mr. Tabi house with 3 they fall on top according to Tori way this man will say let me say this so Dr. Kumalo send them for we make us. Look up 3 them Usabi say for Limbe, they plenty house them for Bota. They get mango tree them, pear tree them, other one the way they so they make and they place the fine. Even though mosquito tree they can they plenty. But in a big account on this for CDC, where all house to na tree them fall on top, they touch it correct. They hold this night to thank God say person no die for the people then get small bet. All them so no man no cover eye. If of you fall so way, people they on top bed now immediately. Thank God that heavy rain be so way. People they never yet go for bed for go sleep country people them. Yabasi road for pay cat can't set now another place too now road that would don't face one for na talk city so Caterpillar at last don't start the fix the road to take small time road for go Yabasi they go put kunta for day country people them. Rain don't can talk city so una go do another work for the night this. Look the way it in cut. Yabasi road. When you don't see and you don't see a road where they just great and now, you just the fixer, it will remain for put contact rain start. So now the bus where they should have for under the T where the water they pass. Small tunnel. Where they do now with the iron. Zinc, strong zinc. Anyway, water don't come so water, they just kind of go yourself with that. I mean not even live and say me they see them. Carry and go yourself and go with that. So either they go do the T where they be doing for that side after Bumiebel for Yaoundé road. Then, or they go do it or they go start again afresh. Especially for that particular level, or they put a bridge for this country people. I think that way it take happen for day. Make you take una go Bamenda after rain stop around 10-11 for night country people them. Now fire now is start say this on my own good morning don't start to burn about 30 shop them for charcoal section for that side day for Bamenda food market. Charles Kebwa be day today country people them. Now he report this.
Yes, country people, welcome for Bamenda this Thursday week. Country people, 1 week up this morning time. Now Bamenda food market. Now this way the people them their own for do charcoal. Country people as information it be talk for we na say around 1 o'clock they you always see plenty fire don't catch charcoal. Enter for inside other shops them waiting there for that side for inside food market country people burn out in way it dey inside. See how we people they are even grinding machine beans cocoa conchav all thing country people it don't burn not to talk of Njanga. Now as you see we talk now so Army rescue for Bamenda don't enter for the palava. Since night as we talk now, so they don't carry over 8,000 liter water only for see how way they go fit make sure say make them close up. That means they make them quench the fire. But you know what the way it happen when charcoal it don't catch. Now they still try now. So city mayor for Bamenda, Paul Achombong, he himself too don't come for inside market here. Talk for country people say the one a ballock. Tell them say it is so. If they go for your office for make commission, make they can see how it could go trade at them where they don't burn their tin them their heart. Here with the way it take talk country people for them.
I guess Muna be calm. Muna be patient. I will go back now. I will send a commission. He will come make evaluation for all the things where it don't happen here. And then we will see exactly in what kind of way we fit come for our assistance. You don't hear me? You don't hear no? I thank God say none of them no die. We don't get any human casualty.
It continue again. Forgive hope for them, for tell them say it is so by October for this month. Say that very palaver for that side for market say they could bill them with a fine shirt them for day. It go again for one country people say it is so. Make them know how way they did join electric for inside market. But before then, here way to way Paul Achombong it be talk for this market palaver as he promised country people for inside food market.
I build like shed. 3 meter by 3 meter. We will build market where then our glass and aluminium. So we will work on the issue already. We draw the plans them already. So by every good thing before worries for October, maybe we will not start work.
Naso will taxi Bamenda.
Thank you plenty, Charles Keboa, for they will take una now go for Douala. For Douala, wait to happen. Na Douala Central Market as we be done first day yesterday. I mean day before yesterday. Where this will be bad for day for Sikaweti. Buy am sell am them. They vex for the Sikaweti. They want ask them 100,000 francs for small 1 square meter space una see. Then come out go for day. The one is market yesterday where police don't flop. Let me say, Ketu don't flop for day with the Mami Water and then tear gas in the inside case. They say for that place for front post office for New Bell, no man no go turn up for day until council as they talk they put order. Police be day, municipal police too, it be day for the country people them. They can't battle today for last fight, they can't last safe, they use even tear gas country people them, use even tear gas for because the people they be vexed they write signboard and they call Kunkuma, say Papa Paul be a camp help we. Now the place them this way they say they don't draw them for say Douala 2 don't draw them for say they pay 100,000 for them. The people them for Douala 2 where they need farm to send them is saying they say no, they never yes fix the amount. Now all they say they want for put order for place where disorder it be done before this so country people them. As una take siam for this lava so they talk the matima today for this today after it come bad for the kind of level for where this so they use na tear gas now throw away tear gas for they for drive the people the way they bring sign right signboard and so they call him and Kunkuma can't save them because they don't know what side they go how they go do and how they go manage where they live. They don't barricade self road to them for them. Then the municipal police they can move the thing them put them there for go make it go turn firewood for that side there for New Bell Central Prison for cook raw rice and raw concha for they make people them bikini chop for they so country people them. As it take happen for the take us with the Trump for disperse people them. Desmond put volume make you see. Paul King, they move it die, but as we tell una yesterday, say we'll bring una all the video they make you see as it happen for La Kentini. Now this one no be mean a dance for any other thing. No, it be been a for talk say this so it don't bat. It don't bat for the yes, na cry die dance with this so for front people them like the governor for Littoral Samuel Jodone Eva Tiboa, pastor them where they make prayer for the other mayor them where they come salute with the parliamentarian then too for the country people them and then president for council them and then town them for city them for Cameroon here where all them become the so ton do and so they take and now put them for moto for take and go down for Penja de so country people them they take and go down for Penja de so then now take una go Penja de for see how the thing enter for the inside total tension like this. For Penja they tell their body enter. Yes, they do all things to say No even agree, may they put flag on top. They say, may they open and may they see their mayor for see whether to their lion or their hero don't die, na he don't die. For this, so people them way they so governor for Penja, Jombi Penja be toxic. Now only 50 people them the same gang. They last go ready for Pula day after where they don't negotiate plenty before population leave and people them flop for Penja day and then tell they block and medicine, maybe the but you know what inside the motor. They use na tear gas as soon as you so for send people them outside for this matter too for try open route before they continue. We'll take una go back for some talk about that matter where we tell una say Karin will show una picture where Karin kill Imami. Now the video this for the house make una see. Look, now the body for that mommy that he didn't have for mutual day. Now they ask this way Karin use them. Open a mommy head for day. So now for they contribute them. Oh man, because they cry and cry for that house. Wait till Karin do so for inside Tunga. Karin be the self pop off. Now mommy achomo, mommy benye for Douala come out go now for baffle some play way in mommy day. With the two picking the way born am when a bastard picking the nose a bit papa themselves for they contribute for them. Now anyway they so Karin now he go now attack mommy. Say that mommy they make him in the progress for life and mommy the one take a two picking them for use and for nyongo day. That situation that way take happen for baffle some day Karin day now for hand for to them for this so country people them. IDP them for Bororo IDP them they now for that side they for Adamawa where they so they don't give them small chop make they chop now it is. IDP them come out for Northwest and Southwest where they run now war country people them. Then they receive them inside Adamawa they because plenty people they feel say IDP them they not only for Douala and Yaoundé Mba. Then the two for Adamawa they will don't enter the two. Even for West Region around Fumbo to Fumbande for their contributors. So this one now they decide say this one they go give them small thing for chop for hold and skill with them. Because for their country people they must not take siam now, savon the giam, oil the giam, ria, let me say rice to the giam for them they take hold, then skin for them, and then small thing then two toilet thing then two for the small picking and mommy the way they day waiting belly because that things where they call and say palaba soya for make woman carry belly. And no war for this so even inside any place they touch you and they touch you to belay they enter to one time country people them we go leave that palava coins them come back for day now tomorrow afternoon with the fame and them make you take tell now about Domo. I say now inside Anglophone zone where this one happen so contribute them. Police one put Kalashnikov for down, one put AK-45 for down. They say this so I could show you say this so for this matter. And when I want to look at if not na palava woman, it could surely be na palava money. I think cap for this palava, so I think gombo for the level so country people them. Desmond, put volume there, make you get her. Two Cameroonian police them, yes, for inside Anglophone zone. If Chakumcha boys and pass, they take that gun now, kill una, then go with them. Una go talk to do wait for that side. Una fight that for two Cameroonian police them contribute them. As we take to come now, work don't come out all IDP girls and where they so they did Douala announcement, the paper they come up so this month now. Yes, now that any girl, any gondere, where age they from 20 years going to 25 years, especially IDP them, internally displaced people them, may they can work, yes, as restaurant snack assistant. Money where they go pay you, it plenty. Now the number that one I go call 677-559085, 677-559085 or 697-238880, 697-238880. Money, I said they will pay you better salary for this one. Now for IDP them especially, yes, so take 6 IDP women the way they want to get this work. Thank you na plenty. Make una talk say I no be tell una. Bolode for una. one thank una plenty country people. They make una call. We give it to like the one the way they run the game for this 675-386 and then 801. Thank you too. Thank you. We'll talk say this. We'll talk. Thank you for Frank. Thank you too for Eli Nolinga. Wane. Thank you Desmond Gwa. Thank you Noel. Thank you Johnson Vola and then Christian Tebong. Thank you Raf too with all this palaver. My country people them to program that they continue for my media prime television. My own end for today. Tomorrow go be another day, same time. If you not see my back, belly day for before they go. Bye bye.